Producers want to focus on the creative vision of their television or film project and not on legal issues. However, the production process has legal landmines littered throughout, and stepping on any one of which could prevent the project from ever being released. So how do producers avoid this from happening? Hi, James Pacitti, entertainment attorney, production counsel in Los Angeles. The best way for producers to avoid stepping on any legal landmines and blowing up the chance of their project ever being released is to retain production counsel as early in the process as possible. Beginning with development, production counsel can assist producers forming and organizing the production entity. This is important to provide legal liability protection to the producers, and the production entity will be where all of the financing for the project goes into, as well as the revenue, and it also is the entity that would hold all the intellectual property rights. During pre-production, counsel will ensure that the producers have secured all the necessary underlying intellectual property rights to produce a project, including a script or screenplay, as well as potentially life rights or other necessary rights. Once the project is ready to go into principal photography or physical production, many agreements will be required for cast and crew. There are also various labor and employment law issues, and if the production is using SAG-AFTRA or other union participants, then there will be union issues that have to be addressed as well. Once production has been completed, the project will enter post-production, where producers will then have to hire editors, assistant editors, and possibly motion graphics artists and special effects artists, all of whom will require contracts. Also, issues of copyright registration and possibly trademark registration will arise. Finally, of course, all producers wish to obtain distribution for the project. Distribution agreements can be very complicated, and these agreements can be further complicated in the event that the producers have to deal with multiple distributors and their sales agents because either the rights and or the territories are being split. And it's very important to have experienced counsel review these agreements before entering into them with any distributor or sales agent. So the most important thing for producers to do is early on to retain production counsel to avoid any of these landmines. If you have any questions or if you have a project you wish to discuss, don't hesitate to contact us.